What is the one word for moving in time or space without interruption? The correct answer is continuous. What is the one word for break down into components or essential features? The correct answer is analyze. What is the one word for having incalculable monetary or intellectual worth? The correct answer is invaluable. What is the one word for enclose or enfold completely with or as if with a covering? The correct answer is envelop. What is the one word for prevent from entering, shut out? The correct answer is exclude. What is the one word for a vast multitude? The correct answer is hoard. What is the one word for action taken in return for an injury or offense? The correct answer is revenge. What is the one word for forsake, leave behind? The correct answer is abandon. What is the one word for the act of changing location from one place to another? The correct answer is motion. What is the one word for devote fully to? The correct answer is engross. What is the one word for cause to deteriorate due to water, air, or an acid? The correct answer is corrode. What is the one word for cause someone to believe an untruth? The correct answer is deceive. What is the one word for exultantly proud and joyful, in high spirits? The correct answer is elated. What is the one word for keep in safety and protect from harm, loss, or destruction? The correct answer is conserve. What is the one word for what something is used for? The correct answer is function. What is the one word for limit the range or extent of? The correct answer is inhibit. What is the one word for the condition of having extraneous elements? The correct answer is impurity. What is the one word for so great in size or force or extent as to elicit awe? The correct answer is colossal. What is the one word for no longer in fashion? The correct answer is outmoded. What is the one word for an unpleasant or difficult situation? The correct answer is predicament.